Welcome to Tech Learners. In today's lesson, we will discuss some more problems on string handling. So let's discuss problem number 4 on string handling. To find frequency of a character in a string. Let's say the input will be if a string, this is a Tech Learners, then we will ask the user for the particular character and we have to display the frequency of this character into the input sentence. So we can see that here E occurs 3 times. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So the frequency of E into this string is 3. Let's say if the user have entered I, then the frequency of I in this is 1 and 2. So the frequency of I would have been 3. So let's see how we can solve this simple program in string handling. Let's talk about the logic first. We need to input the string. We can do this with the help of the scanner class. Then we need to find the length of the string. After finding the length, we need to ask the user to input the character whose frequency is to be calculated. Then we will take a variable count and we will initialize it to 0 so that we can store the frequency into this. Then we will run the loop from I is equal to 0 to I is less than len, and inside the loop we will be extracting each character. So the character can be extracted with the help of char at method that is available into the string class. And now we need to compare this character with user inputted character, and if it is, then we simply increment our count variable. So that means if the character is the input character, then we need to increment the frequency, we need to increment the count, and finally outside the loop we can display the count. So this is a simple program. Let's see how we can solve this using the Java program. So this is the simple Java program. To input, we have imported the scanner class. Then we can create the object of the scanner class. Then we will be asking the user to input the sentence that can be stored with the help of the next line method into the string s. Once we have accepted the sentence, then we'll again ask the user to input the character, and we can accept the character with the help of sc.next method, and then we will have to append this with the method char at 0. Yes, because the next method will accept single word and we need to extract first character from that word. So just to input characters, we have to follow this pattern. That means first we will accept the word, and from that word we will accept the first character, that means at the index 0. In this way we will get the character inputted by the user into ch. Right, now we need to find out the length of the string that can be obtained with the help of the length method available into the string class. Now we have declared a count variable and initialized it with 0. So we are going to store the frequency of this input character into count. Now we will be starting the loop from I is equal to 0 to I is less than n. Inside the loop we will be checking that the character is equal to ch or not. So we need to extract each character. That can be done with the help of the char at I. This is a function, a method available into the string class. So we'll apply char at I. That means we'll get the character at index I, and that character will be compared to the user input character ch. Now if the character is equal to ch, we need to increment the count variable, and now outside the loop we can simply print this frequency of the character. Now let me compile and show you the output of this program. So let me run. You can see it is asking to enter the sentence. So let me input, this is Tech Learners, and now it is asking please enter a character. Let me input E, and now frequency of E is 3. You can see this is 1, 2 and 3. So this is how we can get the frequency of a single character inputted by the user. I hope you have understood this program. In the next program, we will be talking about finding the frequency of each unique character that we can found into the string. That means like in this t, so we need to find out the frequency of t, then we'll find out the frequency of h, then we'll find out the frequency of I, then we'll find out the frequency of s. In this manner we will find out the frequency of each character, each unique character that is available into this string. So for that, subscribe the channel, please hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of upcoming videos. As I have already told you, in my next lesson we will be talking about that particular program where we need to find out the frequency of each unique character into the string. Thank you so much.